Maths online class. In my previous class, that is in bridge course, I have taught you about shapes. I have taught you about plane figure. In plane figure, I have explained you about square, rectangle, triangle, circle. I have explained. Okay, and afterwards I have explained about solid shapes. Solid shapes have 3 dimension like length, breadth, and height will be there for solid shapes. So in solid shape, what we have learned? Cube, cuboid, then cylinder, cone, and sphere. These are solid shapes we have learned before. Now I'll here I'm going to start new lesson. First lesson. This is also this is the first lesson. Shapes. What is the name of the lesson? Shapes. Now I'll see this question. Ayan celebrated his birthday with his friend. Look at the picture that was taken on his birthday. So here one picture is there. Can you see the picture? See the picture? This is the birthday picture. Now, in this picture, uh, identify the shapes of different solid object in the picture and complete the following table. So down you have given one table. Can you see the table? Okay. Now you have to see the solid shapes here. Object, which object is here? Cake. Cake you write here. Then gift box you write here. Then what is there? That cat you write here. Then which shape can you see after that? This laddus you can write here. After that, any other shape? This is some gift item which is in cylindrical shape. Here again you write gift. Okay, and after that any other shape is there? Okay, these are the shapes you are seeing. So you write the name of the shape. A cake, it is cake. Cake only. Name of the shape. Cake shape is what? Cylindrical. See, it is cylindrical in shape. Then next one, what I said? This gift box. It is cuboid shape. Okay. Afterwards, you have to fill this one. Like this, you have to fill. You have to write number of faces there and curved faces. Okay. How many flat faces are there? How many curved faces are there? That one you have to write. You have to do it by yourself. I have already taught you children about solid shapes, and I have told you what is faces. Faces means see, this is cube. Sorry. This is cube. Cube. This is dice actually. The shape is cube. Means here it is made up of square faces. Okay, length, breadth, and height all is same. It is equal. Length, breadth, and height is same. Here, if it is cube, how many faces are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 faces are there. How many corners are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 corners are there. Like that, I have already taught you. So you have to fill this chart. You have to fill by yourself. You only have to see the shapes, object, then shape you have to mention, and flat faces and curved faces you have to write down. Now come to second question. B1. Name two solid shapes in the above figure whose flat faces have an equal number of sides. Name two solid shapes in the above figure whose flat faces have equal number of sides. That is this one. This gift box and this gift box has equal number of sides, though they have different sides, but the sides are same. 12 12 is there because they are both are cuboid. Now turn the page. come to page number 4. Earth Day. Earth Day is celebrated on 22nd April to create an awareness on protecting the environment. Why we are celebrating Earth Day? To create awareness on protecting the environment. Now, this is the poster or picture. Okay, this is the picture you have to paste. See the question. Question they have given that pick the packet that has enough buttons to paste on the corners of the poster. This is the poster. They have prepared on Earth Day this poster, and tell me how many buttons are required to for this poster. How many buttons are required? Here it has 5 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 buttons are required. Here pick the packet that has enough buttons to paste on all the corners of the poster. This poster has 5 corners. So you need 5 buttons here. So put tick mark over here. Got it? Now come to page number 5. Sides, edges and vertices. Sides, edges and vertices. Sides, edges and vertices. Vertices means corners. Vertices means corner. And edges, it is the other name of side. For side we call edges. Now there is picture. See first I will read the question. Ayan and his classmates are given a project to make poster on environmental protection. They make poster of different shapes. Write the number of sides and corners of each poster in the given boxes. Now you have already know that what is corner, okay, and sides. Side. Now first picture see. Sides how many are there? 4 are there. Corner also 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. Corner 1, 2, 3, 4 corners are there. Got it? Now second picture here 4. Both you write 4. Side also 4. Corners also write down 4. Got it? Now second picture see. Here how many sides are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 sides, right? Corner 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now this one. How many sides are there? Sides means it should be straight line. Here no sides. 0, 0. Both write 0, 0. No sides, no corner. No corner is not there. Okay. Now this picture see. This poster you see. Here how many sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sides, right? How many corners are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 corners are there. So write down 5. Down 1. Now here how many sides are there? 0 sides. How many corners are there? There is no corner. So write here both places 0, 0. Got it? Now here questions are there. Down they have given questions. See the question. Down one. How many corners does your room have? Your room have how many corners? 4. 4 corners will be there. Okay, write down 4 there. A corner is also called vertex. Corners, they are called vertex. Okay. How many vertices does your notebook has? So your notebook will be like this, right? This is textbook. You can take notebook or I'll bring notebook with. See, I have brought notebook and the question is how many vertices does your notebook have? Now vertices means corners. Vertices means corner. So here see how many corners are there? 1. This is notebook. Okay. So they are asking how many vertices does your notebook have? So count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 corners are there. 8 vertices are there. So write down 8. Write it over 8. Can you see? Write down 8. Now Ayan and his classmate decorate some tables and with ribbons and buttons for setting up stall for school exhibition. They stick ribbons on the edges and buttons on the corners of the tables. Okay, now here see children, here are some pictures they have given and they are showing that which is the edges and which is the corner. Edges, sides are edges. Can you see? And corners are vertices. This here curved edge. Here curved edge is curved. Now this is tube. I told you that edges means side, faces means faces. This is face. Okay. Now vertices, that is corner. Got it? Now one question is there. Complete the following table. Now tables you have to complete here. See this table. You have to complete this table. First is geometry box. Now first one is geometry box. Now shape. What is the shape of the geometry box? This is geometry box. What is the shape of the geometry box? It is cuboid. What is the shape? It is cuboid shape. And how many faces are there? Faces are how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So write it here 6 faces. Number of faces you write 6. I wrote 6 here. You also write 6. Okay. Now after that number of edges, they have already written 12. Edges means sides. 12 sides are there. See 1, 2, 3, 4, down 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 edges are there. Number of vertices, eight is there. 8. Write down 8. Number of vertices 8. Corners are 8 only. Okay, 8. I wrote 8. Can you see? Now ball. Ball shape is sphere shape. What is the shape? Spherical. Ball has spherical shape. Ball. Write down sphere. First column. Shape is sphere. Sphere. Okay. Then after that they have asked number of faces. Only one face is there. Bow. It is spherical in shape and it has only one face. One face. Okay. So write it here 1. One curved face. They have written 1. And number of edges 0. And number of vertices also, there is no corner, so write down 0. First one is geometry box. First one was geometry box, right? I got this one. First one was geometry box. So the shape was cuboid. Then what they asked? Faces. 6 faces are there. Then number of edges. Number of edges 12. Means sides are 12 and number of vertices 8. Okay. Now next one is cylindrical tin. Cylindrical tin. Shape is cylinder. Cylinder. Okay. SCYLINDER. Cylinder. And then cylinder shape. I'll show you. This is the cylinder shape. This whatever it is, its shape is like cylinder. Okay. Now it has 3 faces. Means 3 faces means one face top, one face down, and one curved face. So it has 3 faces. 3 faces. Then number of edges. Edges is how much? 2 is there. Okay. 2 edges. This is 1 and down 1. 2 edges and number of vertices, there is no vertices, 0, no corner, corner is not there, see, no corner. Now conical shape, conical plate, cat, shape is cone, cone shape. Okay. Now number of faces, they have given one curved face. Okay, one curve, one that is also curved. Then number of vertices, one is there. See, cat is like this now. So corner is one only, one. And number of vertices, number of edges, one, and vertices also one. Now after that, dice. Dice, I show you. It is cube shape. This is the dice. Just now I show you. This is dice. What is the shape of dice? Can you see? It is cube shape. How many? Now you write cube. Then you write how many faces? 6 faces are there. I told you how it is. Then number of sides, that is edges. How many? 12 are there. And number of corners, it will be 8. 8 corners are there. See children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 corners are there. Now you understand. Now you have to do yourself. See here. You have to take green color pencil. Okay, take color pencil. Don't take sketch pen. Take color pencil. Now use green dot to mark all the vertices of the following shape. One is done for you. See here, where corners are there. Vertices means corners. You have to mark with green color. First one they have done. Second one, this is the corner. Mark. Third one here, one corner, one corner, one corner. Here, here, here you have to mark. Got it? Now, second question. Count and write the number of sides and vertices for the following freight shapes. One is done for you. See here, sides and vertices you have to find. Vertices means corner. Vertices means corner. Vertices means corners. Vertices, that is corners. Okay, meaning is same. If you say corner or vertices, meaning is same. Vertex, that is corner. Vertices, more than one corner, so we will say vertices. Okay. Now you have to write. This is plane figure, plane shapes or freight shapes, and you have to write the number of sides and vertices. Vertices means corners. Now here first figure, see how many sides are there? There are 7 sides. You count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sides are there. So write 7. Corner of sides are 7. Corners also 7. Now this picture, how many sides are there, student? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 minute. 1 minute. Second picture, tell me how many sides are there? Now this picture, how many sides are there, children? Count and tell me. I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11, no, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 is there. So you write it here 12. And vertex also 12. See here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. So vertex also 12. How many sides are there? That many vertices will be there. Now this picture, how many sides are there? Count. 1, 2, 3, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 sides are there. Write 7. Then corners count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 corners are there. Now this picture, arrow, how many sides are there? This fly is troubling me. How many sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 sides are there. Vertex? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 are there. So how many sides are there? We are seeing that many vertex or corners are there. Can you see? Now children, come to question number 3. Tick the flat shapes that has maximum number of vertices. So which has maximum number of vertices? This shape. This has so many corners. More corners are here, so tick it here. More corners are there, vertices are there, so tick this shape. Now next one. Tick the solid object that has no edges. Now which solid object has no edges? No edges, that is sphere. Okay, so you have to tick on the this orange because it has no edges. Understand? Now question number 5. Tick the solid object that have curved edges. Curved edges. Now if you see dice, it doesn't have, it do not have curved edges. Now this one, it has curved edges. Bangle. See this bangle. This bangle has curved edges. It is not straight. It has curved edges. This bangle, it has curved edges. So second one, put tick mark. Third one, also put tick mark because it has one curved edge. Okay, one curve is there. So B and C put tick mark, and D one no, it doesn't have any curved edges. Okay. So we finished question number 5. Now come to page number 8. Name two solid shapes that have the same number of edges and vertices. Now name two solid shapes that have same number of edges and vertices. One will be cube shape and another will be cuboid. These two shapes have same number of edges and vertices. Both are having 12 edges and 8 vertices. Write down question number 6, cube and cuboid. Question number 6, answer is cube and cuboid. Got it? Now next question, question number 7. Name the solid shape that has one curved face and two flat faces. Name the solid shapes. That is cylinder. Cylinder only. Write down answer number 7. Cylinder. Cylinder has one curved face and two flat shapes. Okay. Now match each shape with their property. One is done for you. This match you have to do. This is very easy. Can you do? See here, all sides are equal. So which figure has all sides equal? That is this one. It is square. Got it? Now next is opposite sides are equal. Which figure has opposite sides are equal? This one. Match it over here. This is rectangle. Which shape this is? Rectangle. Again, it has 3 sides. Which figure has 3 sides over here? See, this figure has 3 sides. So you can match this one to here. It is, what is the name of this shape? It is what? Triangle. Now it has 5 sides. Which figure has 5 sides? This one. It is pentagon. It has 5 sides. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So match. You put line from here to here. Okay. It has 6 vertices. 6 vertices. Which figure has 6 vertices? 6 corner. Which figure? This one. This one has 6 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So have you matched this one? I'll do and I'll show you the answer. Opposite sides are equal. This one. It has 5 sides. It has no sides. No sides means it has no side, that is circle. Circle has no sides. Then it has 6 vertices, that is pentagon. And it has 3 sides, that is triangle. See here. See if you have done correctly. First one is circle shape name, second shape name is pentagon, third shape name is hexagon, this is rectangle, this is triangle, this is square. These all are plane figure. We call them as a plane figure, children. Now for today this much only. In my next class I will tell you about open and close figure. Okay, thank you children, have a nice day.